This video demos how to correctly apply our trending new nail art skins. Skins work best on a white base. Coat with your fave white gel and cure. Apply a generous coat of either a base or builder and cure 30 to 60 seconds. Pro tip: make sure you properly coat all the edges of the nail tip. Cut the skin from the sheet, place face down on a lint-free surface. A silicone mat is great for this. Grab everything you need: a piece of cling wrap folded in half, a small container of water and a folded up sheet of paper towel. You can also use a silicone tool or orange wood stick for smoothing the skin, but fingers work just as good. Remove backing using a wet paper towel, then place a cling wrap over the skin to pick it up. If backing doesn't come away easily, just hold the wet paper towel on for a bit longer. Place nail tip onto surface with tweezers. Remember, the nail is tacky with the cured base gel. Hold cling wrap firmly and pull out straight. Line up skin to cover nail tip evenly all sides. Stretch out cling wrap over nail to ensure no wrinkles. The skin is protected by the wrap. Smooth down from the middle to free edge first, then focusing on the edges, press gently. Make sure entire skin is smooth. Now smooth up the middle of nail to cuticle area, then the to corners. Be gentle as skin can be damaged at this stage. I like to remove the cling wrap now to adjust any wrinkles or bumps. Get the edges smooth and press down any areas not quite sitting properly on the nail. When ready, flash cure the nail again for 10 to 30 seconds. Then remove excess skin. Trap excess skin between the buffer and nail edge. Hold buffer at a 90-degree angle and buff off. skin should come away easily. Make sure your buffer is new and fresh. When excess is removed, just press down around the edges again to make sure there are no raggy edges. Apply a final coat of the same base or builder gel you used under skin and cure 30 seconds. Make sure you properly coat all edges of nail. The art looks so good. Now you can add any bling to give your nails a personal touch. Finish with a top coat of either matte or gloss.